Fatal flooding. At least 9 people are dead tonight after heavy rains hammered Chile and Peru. Moani.
That's right, Yanji. You know, this is the heaviest rainfall this region has seen in 80 years. Take a look at the video here. Watch as this man fights to hold on to the other stuck inside raging water. Scenes like this captured inside residential neighborhoods that now look like muddy rivers. Officials say at least 19 people are still unaccounted for. Look at that landslide as well, also put on due to the intense rains. Many returning to what's left of their homes. Thousands are without electricity and clean water. This is Chile's Atacama Desert region, one of the driest regions in the world. And someone may be watching this thinking, well, if it's a desert, isn't the rain beneficial? Or, you know, because the ground is so parched there, why didn't the ground soak up all that rainfall activity? Well, many of these regions, number one, are not used to seeing that much rain, and not all at once. There's no plant cover, there's no soil, so there's nothing to absorb that rainfall. So it basically turns into what we call runoff, and that's why the flooding situation there is so devastating tonight.
Wow, incredible pictures.
Draining systems not
Yeah.
there. All right, Moani, thank you.